Welcome to this new video. This video is regarding finding the previous quarter percentage, that is a DAX function in Power BI. So as you know, you have 4 quarters in a year, that will be divided into three months. So first 3 months will be the first quarter, then the next three will be the second quarter, and the last three will be the fourth quarter. So what we need is we need to find the previous quarter's percentage. That means we need to compare current quarter sales with the previous one. So how we are going to do it? We are going to find it with 3 steps. First, of course, everybody knows that okay, we need to get the total price. So here we are dealing with the price. So we need to get the total price. That is the first step. Second step is to get the previous quarter sales price. So to get the previous quarter sales price, you have a DAX function called previous quarter, and you need to write the DAX function inside a calculate function with the calendar date. And the last step, that is to get the percentage, you need to divide the total sales minus this previous quarter divided by previous quarter. That is how we will be getting the percentage of previous quarter. Then you can compare it and check it by using a visual. Here we are using matrix visual, and you can do the same here. So we will try and find it how. So first we will create a total sales. So we will create a measure. So he will name it as total sales equals to sum of sales price. So obviously the first one is over. Second one and the third one, we can write it in one step using variables. You can write it as previous quarter percentage equals to, you can create a variable for previous quarter equals to calculate total sales, and we have a function called previous quarter, and you can give the calendar date. So now we got the previous quarter, but we need to get the difference between the total sales and the previous quarter. So we will return it first, and here we will use divide total sales minus previous quarter, and that is the numerator. Now the denominator should be previous quarter, and of course the alternate result you can give it as 0, and we will try it. So we have taken the visual, and this visual is a matrix visual, and here we will get the date, and here we will take away the month and the day. We need only the year and the quarter. So we will expand everything so that we will be able to see only the quarters. And now we will take the sales, total sales. Of course, we can see the total sales with respect to different quarters, and now we will get the previous quarter percentage. Now the problem is we didn't put the percentage, so in this measure we can select the percentage symbol here. So we got it. Now we can see the difference between this. So now we have a dip in the percentage from the first quarter to the second quarter in 2020, and from the second to the third we have a high. So that is why it is showing 54% high. So this kind of difference we will be able to get it when we use this previous quarter, and when we use this formula like total sales minus previous quarter divided by previous quarter. Hope this was a valuable one. Have a nice day.